Hello, in this video, I will show you how to even out a skin color in this photo. Most likely, this photo was already retouched, but the skin tone here needs to be adjusted. Let's see what is wrong here. Firstly, there are some variations of hues of color on the face. On the forehead and cheeks, the skin looks redder. Secondly, the skin on the chin looks less saturated because there is a glare on this part of the face. Compare it with the color of the skin on the hands. I will fix it. I'm going to shift two color rays together, between which the color of the skin is located, to even out the skin color by hue. Lipstick color does not fall into this color range, which simplifies the task even more. So red spots disappeared on the forehead and cheeks. Here's the photo before. Here is after. Now, you need to even out the skin in terms of saturation. I will use the color temperature for this. I'm going to increase it a bit. Here's what happened. It only remains to use the mask. I will use the mask by saturation to eliminate the effect on highly saturated colors. I will leave a smooth slope of the mask curve so I will not get artifacts. Now let's compare. Here's the photo before, here is after. Once again, before, after. Skin color became uniform and I didn't get any artifacts. That's all for today. Bye everybody.